Hello everybody, I'm here again. I'm with a different Kenmore sewing machine, but in a way it was the same as one of them I already just got done working on. I guess that's the way it works sometimes. This is the Kenmore 385.16231. Okay. And this person is having a walking foot on it. I thought this would be a great opportunity to teach you guys a little bit about walking foots. And this is a really nice machine. Since now I've seen it twice so far. One I think 2 weeks ago or a week ago, and it was a different lady. This is a different lady, but I thought, what the heck? Let's just do it again. It's so much fun to show people sewing machines. And this one has the thread up here. You got your bobbin, and you got your what's your rewinder, bobbin rewinder. This is your thread, which then you thread it through. Let's see here, up through here, just back in this area, back up this way, all the way around, back this way, around this, back down this way, all the way down into, well, let's see, there'll be a little slot right there into the needle. Anyway, this is the walking foot. Let me give you a side view. You can put these on just about any sewing machine if you have the right parts to go to them. They got Singer has this one, Kenmore has her one, but each one has a little bit different. This one looks like a generic one for a Kenmore. It has more of an open foot, so you can actually do zigzags. Some of them you only can do like straight stitch because they only have like that one area. This one's really open, so I was messing around. I did some, different stitching just for the fun of it. I just thought this would be so cool. Just show this one. This one was quite dirty. Inside, so you could see any of that. I had a lot of like little pieces of thread locked into different places. That could be what was causing her having a lot of problems with her sewing machine. A lot of things too. Since this is a Kenmore, right here it says Kenmore sewing machine. Don't use bobbins that don't recommend for this kind of sewing machine, like a Singer or a sewing machine that might be going for like an older sewing machine, like a vintage sewing machine. You want to stick with a Kenmore plastic or Kenmore metal sewing machine bobbins are the best things for a Kenmore anyway. This one has a lot of really cool stitches, and there's all your stitches in your knob indicators like on the side here, which you can turn it so you got your hand wheel, and then down here is what you turn to get this little red guide moving around back and forth. There's lots of basically explanatory type thing. You can make it go faster or slower. I kind of have it between that little point. And like me, I've always put my needle smack dab in the center because I find it so much easier. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys hear what this sounds like. Now, with a walking foot and the feed dogs feeding it through, it goes a lot faster. So you have to be really fast with your fingers. Okay? So here we go. There we go. And I have it all reset. I reset the tension, everything on this machine. It's running really, really good. And oops, sorry, my finger got in the way of the camera. That happens sometimes. That's not a big deal. But anyway, here's my little sticker. I'm more of a hobbyist. I like to help people with their sewing machines. I used to run a big business, but I decided to close the business and decided to become a helper of people with sewing machines. I think it's a lot of fun. I get to look at all kinds of cool sewing machines. I get to help anybody out when they need help. I try to help you the best of my ability. It's better when you have the sewing machine in front of you than having the sewing machine not in front of you. So if you want to share a picture or something on my Facebook group, or even a video of your machine and maybe the sound of it, I can probably figure it out. I like to help you as best I can. So if you guys want to get any help with your machine and not always rely on those, techs and mechanics, even though I'm a mechanic, but I try to help you. Anyway, just give me, I guess, go find me on Facebook or somehow and get a hold of me. If you're in the area, maybe you can, look me up. I got a Google account where you can actually look me up as Affordable Sewing Machine care, and you might be able, if you're close by, you can stop by maybe and get your machine looked at. Anyway, I gotta let you go, and hopefully you get a lot out of this video and learn a little bit about a walking foot. Anyway, have a good evening, and hopefully you'll be following me along, and maybe share this with your friends. It would be great. Okay, thank you very much.